Good afternoon again, team. Today we are going to go through the quiz on symbiotic relationships so that you'll be ready for your exam. Now, on the board, I'm going to give you just different scenarios, and you're going to tell me what kind of scenario it is. Is it commensalistic? Is it parasitic? Or is it mutualistic? And I want you to raise your hand. I want you to tell me how you know. And then I'm going to ask other people to build on that or give their different perspective. And then we'll be able to understand all three inside and out. You'll be ready for your test. Sounds good?
Yes.
Perfect. All right, so the first one here is the clownfish and the coral. What kind of relationship is this? Hand. Let's see, one hand. I'm going to push you guys to have more hands so that I don't have to cold call on someone. All right, Katie, go ahead.
This is a mutualistic relationship.
How do you know?
Because both of the species are being benefited.
Do we all agree with Katie? Both species are being benefited. Humans and bacteria. What is this one? Is it mutualistic, commensalistic, or is it a parasitic relationship? Nat is just ready to go. Matt, go ahead.
I think it could be two. It could be parasitic because humans do get like sick from bacteria, but we also it could also be mutualistic because we do have a lot of bacteria on us that is good bacteria, quote unquote. So I think it just depends if it's good or bad bacteria.
Excellent point. Anyone have a different point of view? Or do we all agree with that?
I agree.
Agree? Okay, perfect. That is a very good explanation. It could be either way. Sometimes it can be parasitic, depending if it's not a mutualistic bacteria, which 99% of bacteria are good for us, and we need them. It's just sometimes that they end up being bad. Like further on in the unit, you will learn about MRSA and how that can be a bad thing. But for right now, most of it, depending on the context, this doesn't actually give us enough context for us to know if it's mutualistic or parasitic. Let's skip over that one and go to the mosquitoes and humans. Ooh, everybody knows this one. All right, Nancy, go for it. One benefits while the other doesn't. Build on that, Kat.
I want to add on. I agree it's parasitic because the mosquito benefits by feeding off of the blood. However, the human usually gets infected through a disease or even like a scratchy bone from the, I think it's a vomit, something like that.
Exactly. Again, more context is needed. If the human gets sick, or the human gets West Nile, or dengue fever, or something like that, which is very common in the Caribbean and in Africa, these kind of things would make it so that it's now a parasitic relationship. But if you just get one mosquito bite and nothing really happened to you, what relationship would that be? Would that still be parasitic if nothing happened to you? Suppose?
I don't know how to say this.
Commensalistic relationship. Excellent choice. It would definitely be commensalistic if nothing happened to the host. Let's do another picture one. The bats, these are fruit bats, not vampire bats. These are fruit bats. The bat and the tree. What do you think? Do you think that this is some kind of relationship where the host, being the tree, is being affected negatively? Or do you think that the host is being affected positively? Or do you think that there's not affected at all? What do you think about the host, the tree? Do you think it's being affected positively, negatively, or no? Katie, I saw your hand first.
I don't think the tree is being affected negatively or it's being benefited.
Okay, so you're thinking more along the lines of commensalistic. All right, Matt, do you have opposition?
I'm not sure if it's what she's saying, but it could also be parasitic.
Okay, in what way?
The thing that is being produced by the tree is getting eaten by the bat, and like sometimes they don't eat the whole thing, so it could rot and leave the whole tree raw.